43 now. With the same approach, let's go through the statements. Once they reach a high altitude, they manage to travel all over the world. So, once they, the pronoun suggests one is not suitable, but yeah, it tells us that the reference is to something, and once they reach a high altitude, they manage to travel all over the world. So, we get some idea about what could be the reference. They could mean anything in plural, but it is not a suitable starting sentence. An expert from the team explained that the bacteria usually live on the surface of vegetation such as leaves. So, an expert from the team explained that the bacteria. So, what are these that I have encircled? They are definite, the is a definite article, and we use it in these kind of places to suggest that the reference to these nouns has come up earlier. So, an expert from the team, and the team has to be has already been mentioned earlier, and the bacteria also. So, to also cannot begin the paragraph. The third one, the wind carries them off the surface and into the atmosphere. Okay, so the pronoun in objective case tells us that we cannot begin with 3. So, 4 is the starting sentence here. What does it say? A group of researchers was surprised to find that clouds had carried drug-resistant bacteria over a long distance. Okay, so the reference is to this group, and the finding that clouds had carried drug-resistant bacteria. So, you know that the team refers to this team, group or team of researchers, and the bacteria is the drug-resistant bacteria that has been mentioned in the 4th statement. Now, what? An expert from the team explained that the bacteria usually live on the surface of vegetation such as leaf. So, in the second sentence, we find that the author of this paragraph has started giving us an explanation as to how this process happened, that clouds carry drug resistant bacteria over long distances. So, we bring in 2 after 4, and then 3 continues with the description or explanation. The wind carries them off the surface. The bacteria usually lived on the surface of vegetation such as leaf, and the wind carries these bacteria off the surface and into the atmosphere. So, 3 comes after 2, and 1 concludes by saying that once they reach a high altitude, they manage to travel all over the world. Okay. So, 4, 2, 3, 1 is the logical order of these sentences.